Have you ever faced 50 impossible food choices? Welcome to the ultimate Would You Rather, Extreme Food Edition. No skipping, no choosing both, you have to pick one. Before we begin, subscribe for more Would You Rather challenges every week. 50 questions. Drop your answers in the comments, and let's see what kind of foodie you really are. Round 1. Warm up. These questions are only slightly painful. Would you rather eat an entire jar of mayonnaise in one sitting, or drink a full glass of pickle juice? Jar of mayo or pickle juice? What's your choice? Would you rather eat plain boiled broccoli every day for a year, or never eat pizza again? Broccoli every day, or no pizza forever? Think carefully. Would you rather put ketchup on every meal you eat, or never use condiments again? Ketchup on everything, or nothing at all? Would you rather eat cereal with orange juice instead of milk, or dip your chips in chocolate sauce? Orange juice cereal or chocolate chips? Choose wisely. Would you rather never eat dessert again, or eat only dessert for the rest of your life? No dessert ever, or dessert all the time? Which side are you on? Round 2. Texture nightmares. Get ready. Would you rather eat dry crackers with nothing to drink, or a bowl of room temperature tapioca pudding? Dry crackers or wobbly pudding? Pick one. Would you rather eat a spoonful of pure lard or drink a cup of lukewarm gravy? Pure lard or gravy in a mug? Neither sounds good. Would you rather eat a sandwich made entirely of soggy bread, or a meal where everything is overcooked into mush? Soggy bread or mush? Which is less awful? Would you rather eat crunchy peanut butter with tiny pebbles inside, or smooth peanut butter that is somehow fizzy? Pebble butter or fizzy butter? What even is this? Would you rather eat rubbery calamari or slimy undercooked mushrooms? Rubbery squid or slippery mushrooms? The texture debate is real. Round 3. Heat challenge. Would you rather eat a teaspoon of ghost pepper paste, or 10 whole pickled jalapenos in 1 minute with no drink? Ghost pepper paste or 10 jalapenos? No water allowed. Would you rather drink an entire bottle of Tabasco, or eat a raw Carolina Reaper with nothing to cool you down? Tabasco or Carolina Reaper? By the way, the Carolina Reaper measures over 2 million Scoville units and is officially one of the hottest chilies in the world. Would you rather cry through every meal for a week because the food is too spicy, or never eat spicy food again? Pain for a week, or no spice forever? Would you rather eat a bowl of wasabi paste with a spoon, or drink a mug of horseradish sauce? Wasabi or horseradish, which would you survive? Would you rather eat the world's hottest curry every day for a month, or eat completely bland food for a year? 1 month of agony, or 1 year of boredom? Bonus challenge. Would you rather give up sweet food forever or give up savory food forever? Sweet or savory? There is no middle ground. Here's a quick challenge. Which one is different? Ghost pepper, jalapeno, wasabi, or Carolina Reaper? The answer's wasabi. It's a root, not a chili pepper. Round 4. Food combinations from hell. Would you rather eat spaghetti bolognese covered in gummy bears, or vanilla ice cream topped with baked beans? Gummy bear pasta or baked bean ice cream? Both are crimes. Would you rather eat a fruit-covered pizza, or a dessert where every ingredient is meat? Fruit pizza or meat cake? There are no winners here. Would you rather eat cereal with fish sauce instead of milk, or a Sunday roast covered in strawberry jam? Fish sauce cereal or jam roast? Drop your answer. Would you rather drink a full English breakfast blended into a smoothie, or eat a completely raw Christmas dinner? Breakfast smoothie or raw dinner? Good luck. Would you rather eat a grilled cheese made with chocolate spread, or a brownie made with blue cheese? Chocolate sandwich, or blue cheese brownie? Surprisingly, people are divided on this one. Like the video, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next challenge.